Now we solve next problem. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose vertices are plus minus 70 and the eccentricity is 4 by 3. So given that vertices are plus minus 70, coordinates of vertices are plus minus 70 and eccentricity is given here 4 by 3. And we want to find here equation of hyperbola. But we know that coordinates of vertices are plus minus a0. It means a will be equal to 7. Now we find b square using the formula b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. We find b square is equal to a. A is 7 here, so 49. And e is 4 by 3. It means 16 by 9 minus 1. And is equal to 49 into 7 by 9. And is equals to 343 by 9. So value of b square is 343 by 9. But we want to find here equation of hyperbola. So x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is equation of hyperbola. Now on putting the value of a and b here, so because a is 7, so a square will be equal to 49. So x square upon 49 minus y square upon 343 by 9 is equal to 1. So x square upon 49 minus 9y square upon 343 is equal to 1 and 7x square minus 9y square is equal to 343. This is required equation of hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose vertices are 0 plus minus 3 and foci are 0 plus minus 5. Given that vertices are 0 plus minus 3 and foci are 0 plus minus 5. Since the vertices of a hyperbola are of the form 0 plus minus 8, it means it is a vertical hyperbola, and equation of this type of hyperbola will be y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Because given that vertices of given hyperbola is 0 plus minus 3, it means a will be equal to 3. And given that foci is 0 plus minus 5, it means AE will be equal to 5. But we want to find here equation of hyperbola. So using the formula b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. B square will be equal to a square e square minus a square, and b square will be equal to 25 minus 9, and b square will be equal to 16. Now on putting the value of a square and b square in this equation, y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equal to 1, then equation will be y square upon 9 minus x square upon 16 is equal to 1. This is required equation of hyperbola. Now we solve next problem. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose eccentricity is 5 by 3 and whose vertices are 0 plus minus 6. Also find the coordinates of its foci. So given that eccentricity of hyperbola is 5 by 3, it means E is 5 by 3 here, and coordinates of vertices are 0 plus minus 6. Because vertices of the hyperbola is of the form 0 plus minus 8, it means hyperbola is vertical, and equation of this type of hyperbola will be y square upon a square minus x square upon b square will be equal to 1. Because given that vertex is 0 plus minus 6, it means a will be equal to 6. And using the formula b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1, we find b square is equal to a square, e square minus a square, and value of ae is, because a is 6 and e is 5 by 3, so ae whole square minus a is 6, it means 36. It means 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. It means b square is 64 here. So equation of hyperbola will be y square upon 36 minus x square upon 64 is equal to 1. This is equation of hyperbola. And focus of this type of hyperbola is 0 plus minus AE. So will be equal to 0 plus minus A is 6 and E is 5 by 3 here. It means foci is 0 plus minus 10. It means equation of hyperbola is x square upon 36 minus y square upon 64 is equal to 1, and foci is 0 plus minus 10. This is conjugate hyperbola. Now we solve next problem. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose foci are 0 plus minus 12 and length of whose latus rectum is 36. Given that coordinates of foci are 0 plus minus 12 and length of latus rectum is equal to 36. Because foci of given hyperbola is 0 plus minus 12, it means hyperbola is of vertical form, and in this case equation of hyperbola will be y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1. So because foci is 0 plus minus 12, it means AE will be equal to 12, and given that length of latus rectum is 36, it means 2b square upon A is length of latus rectum and will be equal to 36. It means b square is equal to 18a. But given that b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1, during this relation 18a will be equal to a square e square minus a square, and value of a is 12. It means 18a is equal to 144 minus a square, and a square plus 18a minus 144 is equal to 0. So factor will be a plus 24 into a minus 6 is equal to 0. So a will be equal to 6, but a cannot be minus 24, so because a cannot be negative, so a is 6 here. It means b square will be equal to 18a, so will be 18 into 6, and b square will be equal to 108. Now on putting the value of a square and b square in given equation, so we find y square upon a square, it means 36 minus x square upon 108 is equal to 1 is equation of hyperbola.